Hello, today we will guide you through how to log into IC Markets. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the easiest way to quickly find the official IC Markets website, especially if you do not already have the exact web address saved. Once Google loads, click into the search bar so you can begin typing your search. In the search field, type IC Market. Keep the wording simple, just as shown, and then run the search. Google will display a list of results related to IC Markets. At this stage, it is important to look carefully at the search results and choose the official website. This helps you avoid clicking on unrelated pages or third-party links. When you see the IC Markets result, click on it to open the site. After the homepage loads, give the page a moment to fully appear so all navigation options are visible. You will then look toward the top right area of the page where you should find the Client Login option. This is the section used by existing users who want to access their account rather than creating a new one. Click Client Login at the top right. This will take you to the login page or the account access area. Once you are there, you will need to enter your login details in the appropriate fields. Make sure you type your information carefully to avoid errors. If your browser tries to autofill your credentials, it can be helpful to quickly review them before continuing, just to make sure everything is correct. After entering your login details, continue by following the on-screen procedure. Depending on your account setup, this may include selecting the correct account area, confirming a security step, or proceeding through the next page shown by the platform. Just read each prompt carefully and move through the process as directed on screen. If anything does not look right, such as the page not loading properly, or the login fields not appearing, refreshing the page, or checking that you are on the official IC Markets site can help. It is also a good idea to make sure your internet connection is stable before trying again. Once you complete the on-screen steps, you should be successfully logged in and ready to access your account. That's the full process for logging into IC Markets, from searching for the website to entering your details and following the prompts provided on screen.